These immersive trainings are where the magic happens. You get hands-on learning, expert instruction, and you're welcomed into a community of like-minded individuals where you can learn about sound in a safe, fun, and supportive community together. What's unique about our holistic approach to sound healing is that our support for you doesn't end when the workshop is over. When you sign up for a certified workshop, you also gain lifetime access to online learning material, step-by-step instructional videos, a handbook, a workbook, lots of different resources, as well as one-on-one instruction from your teacher. You also gain access to a private online community where you can connect with others on their sound healing journey. Please let us know if you have any questions, and our supportive team is here to help guide you, to help you find the right workshop for you. If you click below, you'll see that there's a button that will direct you to where all of our workshops are on offer. For this special offer, you can get 10% off of your workshop, where you'll see sale price listed on that workshop. You may also notice that some of these workshops will be marked early bird discount plus sale price, where you can actually get 2 discounts in one, which is our best bonus offer. We absolutely know that you're going to love this training experience, but don't just take our word for it. If you scroll down on this page, you can view verified Trustpilot reviews and hear directly from our students. So as I said, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We cannot wait to connect with you, and we look forward to welcoming you into the Sound Healing Academy.